Of the cabinet is made from 16 gauge steel. The legs are 2 by 2 by 1 inch angle iron. A very thick powder coat finish on it. The gun system is 25 CFM tungsten carbide nozzle, already assembled. It's operated by a foot pedal. The foot pedal comes assembled and it is included. You hook your supply air from your compressor to the right side of the pedal. The left side is your supply to your gun system, which hooks into the safety valve on the left-hand side of the cabinet. You can see the plunger when the top comes down, it releases the valve so that you can blast. When you fill the cabinet, you probably don't need any more than 20 to 25 pounds of media tops. On the inside of the cabinet, down in the hopper, there's a metal pickup tube with a slide sleeve on it. That slide sleeve covers a hole which is used to adjust your air mix to your gun system. If it's fully closed, it gives you maximum suction. If it's fully open, it decreases the suction so that you don't throw out too much media. We recommend glass bead, aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, or there are a number of types of plastic garnet. However, we do not recommend sand because of the safety measure. After you blast it for a while, and the media becomes when it needs to be replaced, it's a very simple thing down at the bottom. There's a cap with a latch on it. Just release the latch, cut the can into a little pail, it clamps right back up. That's all there is to that. It comes with a plexiglass window. The dimensions on the window are 46 inches across and 13 inches tall. It comes with pre-applied mylar shields, protective shields underneath to protect the plexiglass from the blast. And when that gets frosted up, you can buy replacement shields from us that come in front and back. We have them all the time. On the top, you can see the electrical box. It's pre-mounted. It comes with 2 fixtures for LED lighting, 110. And then on the back of the electrical box, there's also a fixture where you can plug the dust collector in so that the dust collector goes on and off when you use it. This unit comes with a DC-1500 dust collector. It's a 2-filter unit. There's a cloth bag filter unit in the bottom. And then the top of the unit, there's a cartridge filter prior to the motor, which filters out the fine materials. The important thing about this whole system is you got to keep this clean. Take the bag outside, shake it out once in a while. Take the cartridge filter off once in a while, blow it out with air. But you have to keep that clean or you're going to have poor visibility. On the back of the unit, the plate extensions, of course, are there to keep the cabinet from getting top heavy and tipping over. So you do have about 6 or 8 inches that keeps the unit from away from any wall. You have to open the flat panel.